Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. Okay, this is a Cardo Freecom 4X and the Sena 50R. Let's turn on the Freecom X series. And we'll turn on the 50R. Now we just put the Freecom 4X into its normal intercom pairing mode. On the 50R, press and hold the center button for its native intercom pairing mode. And now we wait. Boom, these two are paired to each other. I can hear that in the speakers. So I can close the intercom from the Cardo side. I can open it from the Sena side if I want to. Can close it from the Sena side. Intercom is now closed, and of course I can initiate the intercom from the Cardo side as well. And that's it. These two intercoms are paired together. We know that that's been one of the most requested features, and to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements, so keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet, and know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.